model, 2015 plate Ford Transit Connect 210 1.6 TDCI E-Tech needs head gasket repair. No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 227262. MOT, the 10th of July 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, still starts and drives fine, definitely worth repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric